Controversial social media personality Andrew Tate is arrested on suspicion of human trafficking and rape charges. Let's get into some of the details. My name is Jamal Kersey. I'm the principal attorney at Kersey Law, the boutique criminal defense firm in San Diego, California. In this video, we're talking about Andrew Tate getting arrested, and honestly, this news hit me from left field. You don't expect to see something like this. You know, obviously, there's a lot of controversy that surrounds Andrew Tate. He's a very opinionated person, has said a bunch of stuff that has rubbed people the wrong way, but he also has a lot of followers as well. But the reality is he's facing some pretty serious charges potentially with respect to this investigation that's been going on for months, apparently. And what it is alleged at this point is that there are 4 suspects. So it's Andrew Tate, his brother, and then 2 other Romanian guys. And what they're alleged to have done is created a organized crime group, and its purpose is to recruit, house, and exploit women by forcing them to create pornographic content, and that's meant to be seen on different websites for cost. And we know this thing, you know, has really blown up recently. OnlyFans is probably one of the most famous ones at this point. I don't know which websites they're alleged to have used, but this pay-to-watch content model has been a huge cash cow. And so it's one thing when people are doing it on their own volition or because, you know, they want to. It's another thing to be forced to do so, and that would fall under your human trafficking type allegations. It's alleged that they've quote unquote gained important sums of money. Prosecutors say they have found 6 women who had been sexually exploited by the suspects. And so again, this is where some of Andrew Tate's comments in the past, you know, about women being partially responsible for being raped and things to that effect can rear their ugly head when you're arrested for something like this. But what is really interesting about this story is how authorities tracked down Andrew Tate leading to his arrest. So apparently he had been moving around the world and just not able to be tracked down, but he ends up getting into this Twitter beef with climate activist Greta Thunberg. So Andrew Tate ends up tweeting that, hey, I got 33 cars, one of them is a Bugatti, one of them is a Ferrari, and he's going in this back and forth when she claps back. And in response to her clapback, he records this video where he's basically talking trash to Greta for like 2 minutes. And towards the end of this video, he asks someone to bring him pizza. And it turns out that on the pizza box, this pizza is from Jerry's Pizza, which is apparently a spot in Romania. And that's how they were able to determine that he was in Romania, but based on these pizza boxes. And that's what led to authorities tracking him down and arresting him. Listen, I'm a criminal defense attorney, but I certainly don't advocate people to break the law. But one thing I will say is if you do break the law, you really got to watch what you do and say on social media. I've seen so many people get buried by tweets or Instagram posts or Facebook posts coming back to haunt them, things that you never really thought. I mean, think about it. A pizza box? No one would ever think that something as innocent as a pizza box would be what would lead authorities to track a person down and arrest them. But, here we have it. Obviously this is just fresh. This just happened. And so, it's very important to note that he's innocent until proven guilty, as is his brother and the other 2 individuals involved. But obviously these are very serious allegations. Apparently one of the women is American, so there may be FBI involvement in this. And so if one of the girls is American, then there's a possibility that he could actually be facing charges in the United States. But obviously this story just broke, and so there's going to be a lot of information probably flowing over the next couple of days. But yeah, Andrew Tate and his brother facing some serious allegations. If you got something out of it, please show me some love. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video when it drops. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.